Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the simple but essential items. Power cycle the device now, hold the power for 10-15 seconds and let it fully reboot. Once done, check settings for the OS version and any pending updates because software bugs often block hardware events. Make sure the case or screen protector isn't jamming the button and visually inspect for debris. If the button feels stuck, gently clean around it with compressed air and a soft brush to free movement. Now you move into diagnostics to find whether software is the cause. Boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app intercepts volume commands. If the button works there, uninstall recent apps. Once identified, reset accessibility and sound settings to defaults to clear accidental mappings. Then run built-in hardware diagnostics or a reputable hardware test app to log button presses. If diagnostics report no input, note the behavior and for final repairs, you can perform soft fixes first. Power down, disconnect battery connectors if you're comfortable opening the device, and clean the button contacts with isopropyl alcohol, then reassemble and test. If the mechanical switch is broken, replace the volume button assembly or seek an authorized repair center to avoid warranty loss. If you need an immediate workaround, remap volume to on-screen controls or pair a Bluetooth remote. If problems persist, that one troubleshooting tip is to capture logs so the technician sees exact failure patterns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.